Now, there's something interesting which came out in this book as well, and it's a role of Picasso as well as Ijskrieger. Picasso, of course, you all know. I mean, Picasso is this famous artist. And Picasso made a painting, it's quite ugly, I saw with him, which is an anti-war portrait of a bombing of Guernica, and which is found in Madrid these days. If you want to go and look at it, it's really a monstrosity. But it's large, it is quite big. If you've ever seen the Mona Lisa, which of course got nothing to do with Picasso, you'll be damn surprised. I mean, that sculpture, that portrait is small. It's like nothing, man. It's like you don't even know what's so fussed about it. I mean, really. But then I'm not artist and I'm not an arty type of person, so whatever. But closer to home, I'm back again at Guernica. There was a fellow called Ijskrieger, South African. He actually wrote a poem, which became quite famous at the time and is completely forgotten today. Nag van die fascistiese bomwerpers. In English, The Night of the Fascist Bombers. Now, he actually lived in Spain and France for a few years, so he could speak both French and Spanish. Sporting man, good rugby player. His dad was actually a Springbok rugby player, but he became more well known as a poet. He plays for a club in Toulouse. Krieger Jr. was captured at Tobruk in 1941. Now, I do write about Tobruk in my books as well. That is where British armor ran all the way back to Egypt. It's only Montgomery who got there and stopped. But nonsense. They wanted to flee all the way to the Middle East. They were running that hard. And Rommel, of course, was chasing. And then there came the surrender of Tobruk. I had an uncle of my dad's side was involved there. He escaped with his men. We won actually the military cross doing that, getting out of Tobruk. But Ijskrieger was captured and made a prisoner of war in Italy. Then he learned to speak Italian. He escaped. And post-apartheid, he's the one guy who translated the so-called Freedom Charter into Afrikaans. So that's just a link which nobody knows about between South Africa, Picasso, and Guernica. Hope you find it interesting.